Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of tech over. Today in this video I'm just going to be showing you how we can hot reset your Android device. It's not from the setting, I mean when you just go here on a setting, when you check out for general management, you have the reset. This is going to clear your data you have here on your Android device, but I want to show you how to reset. So if you just want to hot reset your Android device, you will need a software by the name of 10 Share Boot. You can download the software from the link here on my video description below. Go click here on free download. Once you just download this software to PC, open it, and I already installed to my PC. I'm going to open directly from here. So once it has been opened, you can see we have lots of options. First one's just repair Android system. This is going to reinstall the firmware of your Android device. It means it will be the hard reset of your Android device. So if you just want to do that, first of all you have to connect your phone with USB cable to your PC, then click on allow. Once you've done that, you can see it's now connecting to your device. As you can see, my Samsung device has been detected with this software on my PC. Now time to show you the simple reset that you can do with the power and volume down button of your Samsung or other Android devices, but you can do it very easily from here. Once you click on here, I mean entering your phone in recovery mode. But before this, you have to turn on the developer options. How you can do this, you have to go on the settings, scroll all the way down and go for about phone, then go on software information, tap on build number like 5 times. So once you just done that, you will get developer options just downside of about phone. Go here and enable the USB debugging. So once you just enable that, click on OK. We're back on the software. Just click on enter recovery mode. Now you can see my Samsung device is now going in recovery mode. Then you can sample reset it. It means you can just clear the pattern lock, gallery and apps of your Android device with this method. Even you can use the power and volume down button to get here on recovery mode. So you have to wait when you just got the no comment page, and you can see I'm now here on recovery mode page. Go on partition, choose that and click on power button. If you just want to come there, you can use the volume down button, then go click again on power button. Now you can see we got back here again on this list. Time to go for factory reset. Use the power button and go down with you volume down button, again the power button. You can see my phone has been resetted. So time to reboot your phone, and when I just click off there, my phone will start from the startup setups, and you have to do all of this and you will get your phone like this without any application and cleared gallery. It means we have done the simple reset on our Android device and we clear everything. But time to show you the hard reset. If you just want to hard reset your Android device, you have to go here on repair Android system. Go click over here and choose your Samsung model, then go click again, find out the series of your phone, then go choose the model of your phone. This is my Samsung model, and go choose the country you got here. It means my phone has been made in America, United States, and this is T-Mobile. So once you just click over here, you can see it's going to download the firmware of my Samsung device, and it will install back that firmware to my phone. And I caught that part. It just take like 20 minutes, and I'm going to click here on repair. Now when I just click on continue, we will have this page to get our phone in downloading mode. How we can do this, you have to turn off your Android device, and once I just turn off my phone, I want to show you now how we can get in downloading mode. Keep the middle button, power button and volume button at the same time until your phone will get the blue screen on it. So here you go. Time to click on volume up button to continue. Then you have to click on middle button to start. It's reinstalling firmware, and when you back your PC, you can see it will start repairing. It means it's now installing the firmware. It's just downloaded with this software on my PC. So we have to wait for it. It will take like 30 minutes. Once all has been done, you go click on done and exit from your software. And when we're back on our phone, you can see it's now downloading and installing that firmware we just got from my PC, and it's now erasing everything. And you can see my phone has been hot resetted with that software. So this is all about how we can hot reset our Android device with a Realme build. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends if you like the video. Don't forget to hit the like button. See you until next quick tutorial videos. Bye bye my friends, peace.